Good morning! This is the 8th in Gildone. We're going to the beach. It's 7:20. We're gonna take the bus because this car is not this car cannot go long distance. So we have 1 hour of bus. And then I'm gonna see the ocean again. I'm so excited. I think this is gonna be one of the best days. So now we are at the bus stop and we're gonna wait for the bus. I fell asleep on the bus. I'm trying to wake up. Yeah, me too, but only for 15 minutes. Saw you from the start. We're sleeping from the start. The bus was just too much movement.
Gonna have a little splash in there, baby.
Splash in there, baby. First step in the sand.
We want an umbrella and chairs. That's all we need.
All we need for you. Carnival. Wow. Okay. Let me touch the water. Then it's gonna be real.
So much, Angela. I love you, love you. Anybody ever crush your spirit, my dear?
Hell no. I'm not gonna let them.
Don't anybody dim your lights.
If they do, I'm coming back here.
Don't dim your light, man. You have a beautiful light.
Ah.
You're bringing it. Interesting, you can.
Oh, it's so cute.
No, this is gonna be more as it gets hotter. John is in already. Let's go join him.
He's having so much fun. You didn't wait for us. Damn, you didn't waste any time. No. Damn. So happy. It's really clear. Like, you can see my feet.
That's crazy, eh?
Crazy. Oh, the cracks are on. The crack. Woo! It's time. I'm getting my tan up. Repairing the chair. Wow. No problemo in Italy. Something breaks, just fix it. Why would you give another chair? No, fix it.
See, these were the top teeth. It's okay. I don't want to show off. I poked him in the eyes. Then I grabbed him by the tail and he ran off like a chicken.
Okay, so I'm going to the pharmacy. I'm trying to get the medicine for the dogs. Let's see if they have it. I just left my people at the beach, and I'm on a mission right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got the spot-on treatment for the ticks. I also got deworming treatments. It was really expensive, but I don't care. I'm gonna go see the people again. Oh, hey, are you okay? Do you need some water? Are you okay? Hi, are you okay? Aqua? Oh. Oh. Are you okay? Oh no, I'm so sorry. Are you hot? Or are you just sleeping? I'll come see if I can get you some food and water, okay? You keep here? You stay here? Are you a good dad though? You're just sleeping? Okay. I'll be right back. I can't with all these stray animals. I can't. Oh my gosh. My family is at the restaurante. Maybe there's water there. Let me go see. So bad for the cat. I just can't. I can't let it there. It makes me so pissed off. This cat just really broke my heart. Look at him. He's skinny, thirsty, with that eye infection, just trying to survive in 34-degree heat. I spent hours trying to reach out to rescues, but every answer was the same. Either too far, too full, or no reply at all. It felt like nobody cared. And here's the crazy part. He's microchipped. He technically belongs to the city of Termoli, so he's supposed to be protected, but what kind of protection is this? People told me, don't worry, a lady feeds him once a day around 7 p.m. That's not protection, that's survival. And if this is how the lucky ones live, what about all the others? The cats in small villages like Gildone, when there's no system at all. That's why I know something has to change. I want to open a shelter in Molise, work with the local towns, partner with the cities, build a team, and create something real. Because these animals aren't background. They're not disposable, they're lives, and they deserve better. So stay tuned, because one day I'm going to open an animal shelter in Molise. Step by step, little by little, I'll make it happen. I just can't leave them behind. I can't look away. This is my dream, and I'll do everything in my power to make it happen. Now, let's go back to the vlog.
Now, when we try have a cappuccino, you say, sir, can I make you a little suggestion? A little glass of cool water would be fantastic.
And now they're are
He's gonna
doing
say,
that
oh
in
my
Montreal.
God, yeah.
That's a great idea. I fell asleep on the beach, and I'm pretty sure I have the biggest sunburn on my ass. Frankie did a really good meal for us, and we were starving.
This melon is always ripe. It's always freaking.
And I never
Why do you
tasted
change
this.
plates, guys? This is not going to change plates. We have the same plates.
So,
Wow,
good.
so good.
Thank you to Frankie. What is it called? Melon?
But that's not what we call it.
We don't have that now.
We have.
Canary.
Canary.
Or Santa Claus.
Santa Claus?
Canary.
Because it's a canary. Well, buy this instead. Here, I'll miss my flight. I don't care. I couldn't. I was crying yesterday. I was like Googling, like, what can I do for these dogs? Like, I can't, like, I just cannot ignore. I can't. Not able to. They're used to that. I'm not.
Usually they're sleeping around outside.
Must be, they must be. Jasmine! You're so cutie! Hi, my dear. Are you gonna let me approach you? Are you gonna let finally approach you today. Yes, yes. Oh, do you love me now? You love me? You love me now. It's crazy. I'm so glad. This was Today in Italy. See you tomorrow.